أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. How many countries are declared independence from Britain? Are the following countries get independence from UK or Britain? Total number of countries are 65. Blood enters the kidney through all arteries. Blood enters through kidney, renal arteries. Countries does the equator passes through? In countries from which equator passes. Number 1 Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, India, Carnivia, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Oceans are water bodies. How many USA Opens has Rafael Nadal won? USA Open Rafael Nadal won. Which city has the longest road tunnel in the world? Norway has the longest road tunnel in the world. Which country is called Land of Morning Calm? Korea is called Land of Morning Calm. Which country is called Isle of Pearls? Bahrain is called Isle of Pearls. Continent is called Dark Continent. Africa is called Dark Continent. Which of following is used to increase the voltage of alternating current? Transformer is used to increase the voltage of alternating currents. Which of following is a scalar quantity? Static potential. Velocity, force and angular momentum are the vector quantities. What is the Earth's escape velocity? 2 km per second is the Earth's escape velocity. When an oil drop spread over water, extension of oil is much smaller than that of water. Who constructed 5 canals to remove scarcity of water? Shah Tughlaq constructed 5 canals to remove scarcity of water in subcontinent. Hydraulic brakes work on which principle? Pascal's law. Hydraulic brakes worked on the principle of Pascal's principle. Among the following is measured using a vernier caliper. Dimension is used to measure the vernier caliper. Which of following is the largest practical unit of mass? CSL is equal to 1.4 times the mass of Sun. The winds which never change their direction are called winds or never change their direction. Which city is called City of Lights? Paris is called City of Lights. Country is called Land of Golden Fiber. Bangladesh is called Land of Golden Fiber. Among the following continent is with the highest mean elevation? Antarctica is the highest mean elevation in the world. Gas is emitted by incomplete combustion of fuel. Carbon is emitted by incomplete combustion of fuel. Which country is the largest producer of wool? China is the largest producer of wool. In what percentage of area does 95% of world population live? 95% of total world population live only the whole area of Earth, which consists on only 10%. Which radio station already existed at the time of creation of Pakistan? Peshawar is already existed at the time of creation of Pakistan. It accounts for 25% of the total world production of tobacco. China, the largest producer of tobacco. Thank you.